The Special Food Technology Research Center, SERPTA, is a research center linked to the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, forming part of the Technio network of technological innovation and the Food Technology Reference Network. The center is clearly international in focus. It has developed projects with different countries both inside and outside of the European Union. And it has just created 2 new technology centers, one in Angola and another in Uruguay, which will help us to increase our links and transfers with African and South American countries. SERPTA has a multidisciplinary team formed by food technology researchers and professionals with excellent infrastructures that, in the pilot plant, can be used for studies and research on both laboratory and semi-industrial levels. SERPTA's basic line is the application of new technologies, nanotechnologies, and techno-functionality to the improvement of food safety, the nutritional value of food, and the production of functional foodstuffs. The pilot plant can be used for the complete development of products and also to seek practical applications for the most advanced production technologies appearing on the market. The center has 2 thermal treatment systems for the conventional conservation of foods. It has different plate and tubular pasteurizers and an indirect UHT sterilization system, which, along with aseptic packaging, enables the long-time conservation of liquid foodstuffs. SERPTA also has a complete cheese-making line with an unloading and refrigeration warehouse, pasteurizer, cheese-making table, brining drum, presses, and aging room. The SERPTA bread-making line has 2 independent and fully equipped areas. The first is used for the research and development of traditional products, and the second specializes in the development of products for allergic and product-intolerant individuals. It is specifically dedicated to the development of non-gluten products for celiac sufferers. Our facilities also include an aseptic packaging line to keep foods conserved for as long as possible without the need for refrigeration. We can also produce vacuum or modified atmosphere packaging and have a Tetra recart system, which is used for the packaging in cartons of food that is traditionally packaged in tins, glass, or plastic containers. SERPTA's most important line is the study of new technologies. SERPTA has set new standards for work with emerging technologies such as high-pressure hydrostatics and ultra-high-pressure homogenization. We have systems for producing meat products that, as in other processing lines, are used in research and development, as well as in teaching. We have a liquid nitrogen tunnel and a freezing chamber with temperature probes for the study of freezing speeds in each product zone. SERPTA has recently incorporated a new line of research into the application of fiber optic sensors to the improvement of the control of food processing. The center also has different laboratories, which are all operated by qualified technicians and equipped with the most advanced systems. It has a laboratory for physical and chemical analysis, another for instrumental analysis, and 2 more for microbiological analysis. SURPTA has led to the creation of 3 spin-off companies. AB Biotics, which commercializes probiotic bioactives and components. Felnuti, which commercializes high-quality gluten-free products. And Ipsicon, a technology company dedicated to the development and commercialization of machinery for food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic and chemical technologies. We are committed to transferring technology to companies so as to make them more competitive, more profitable, and better able to produce and commercialize healthier and more stable products.